So, you want to personalize campaigns in Salesforce Marketing Cloud with all of your data. That might sound like it's easier said than done, but if you give me just 1 minute, I'll show you how companies like PetSmart use Hightouch, that's us, to build audiences and power campaigns in all of their tools, including Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Here I've built an audience using our code-free audience builder. These are high loyalty cart banners. They're people who have given their consent for me to reach them via email. They've added an item to their cart in the last week, but they haven't completed an order yet. And as I mentioned earlier, this is a high loyalty audience. So I'm going to sync this audience to a couple of different tools to figure out where's the best place to reach them for a campaign. For now, I'll go ahead and sync them to Salesforce Marketing Cloud and to Google Ads. It's that easy to get data into these tools. Finally, I've enabled a split test. I'm going to send some of this audience to Salesforce Marketing Cloud and the rest to Google Ads. So again, I can compare those channels side by side. It shouldn't be hard to access your data and put it to work in all of your marketing campaigns. You can learn more about how we do this at hightouch.com. Thanks.